Okay, I've got a Hammerhead Twister here. It's a few years old. It was running last fall, stopped running somewhere in the late fall, so we parked it over the winter. Can't figure out why it won't start. Listen to this when I turn the key. I can get it to fire just once or twice, but it's not turning over repeatedly. It's got a new spark plug, it's got a new starter, a new battery. I'm kind of at a loss as to what's going on, and I'm hoping somebody can give me some pointers. Thanks.